Good day. My name is Dr. Raina Raj, Head of Marketing for Natural Remedies. We have been in this business for quite a long period of time now. Over a period of time, we have understood what are the real problems our customers are facing in nutrition background as well as in health aspects. Recently, we have done a lot of research to understand what are the problems faced by poultry customers or swine customers in terms of managing the fat metabolism and mobilization in the animals. Before finding out a solution, we want to understand what exactly are the symptoms being faced by the animals when there is a deficiency of a critical nutrient. The nutrient I am trying to convey here is choline. Choline is available in synthetic formulations like choline chloride, and when there is a deficiency of choline in the diet due to various reasons, it can be higher requirement of the choline, the nutrient for the animals, or it can be due to insufficient proportions of choline in the diet. Before we started the venture of finding out the right solution, we created a deficiency of choline to understand what are all the symptoms the animals go through. So we have made a choline deficient diet, which is pretty difficult to make in commercial circumstances, but in research surroundings, we can create a choline deficiency by replacing a portion of soya bean meal with soya protein isolate. Now, the beauty of soya protein isolate is it has that equivalent protein value, but it doesn't have choline in it. So in that process, we could reduce around a sufficient amount of choline in the diet, which has created some symptoms. What we have done is we have identified those symptoms and we have used an alternative for choline chloride, which is choline plus, to identify whether choline plus can actually solve those symptoms. To start with, we have studied the zootechnical parameters in which first we measured the body weight and FCR in a choline deficient diet, and we found the FCR to be significantly high and the body weight to be very less when there was a deficiency in choline. When we used choline plus, we could find those figures coming back to normal. Now, coming to the next level, which is organ level, we have tried to measure the actual weight of the liver and the abdominal fat, and we have found the liver weight has increased when there was a deficiency, mostly because of excess fat deposition, and the abdominal fat also increased substantially. Now, when we used choline plus, we could find the weights of those organs coming back to normal. Going one step deeper, we have studied the serology also. Whenever we have a liver problem, we go to the doctor and the doctor prescribe a liver function test. Normally we measure ALT or AST levels. We have done the same in chickens, and we have found that when there is a deficiency of choline, the ALT levels actually shoot up. And when we give choline plus in the diet, what we have found is that those levels have come back to normal. Now, we didn't stop there. For any product that we have a high focus on, we always make sure that we do some genomic studies as well. So we started with identifying which are all those genes which are affected because of a deficiency of choline, and that particular study is called nutrigenomics, which is well published in peer-reviewed journals. We have identified a set of genes which gets upregulated and a set of genes which gets downregulated when there is a choline deficiency. And when we gave choline plus, those upregulated or downregulated genes were performing to the optimal levels. We didn't stop even there. We went one step further ahead. We checked specifically which are all those genes which are directly responsible for fat mobilization, like LIPC gene, like PEMT gene, and we have found that these genes are also performing to the optimum. Thereby, better fat mobilization is also achieved, as well as an increased phosphatidylcholine content inside the body is also maintained. Phosphatidylcholine is the natural choline pool inside the body, and after using choline plus, what we have found is the natural ability to synthesize phosphatidylcholine inside the body has also increased. So these research-based decisions have resulted in a product called choline plus, which we had launched in the last year in February 2018, and in the short time that we have gone through till now, within 1.5 years, we could touch the nutrition of around 600 million birds and this is the product that is having the highest level of satisfaction in the customer's mindset, and this has given us a tag of one of the best brands in its segment in poultry industry. Thank you so much.